Hi, I'm Andrea Anderson from the Productive Environment Institute. In this short video, I'm going to show you how the SOAR board works and why it's such a powerful system for clearing mental clutter, organizing your time, and actually getting things done. Whether you're buried in emails, drowning in paper, or just overwhelmed by everything in your head, this is the system that brings calm, structure, and results. The SOAR board starts with a single inbox, a space to capture everything coming at you: ideas, reminders, tasks, information. Instead of scattered sticky notes or endless mental tabs, everything lands in one trusted spot. You can type it in, speak it in from your phone, or even forward from your email. Once things land in your inbox, you decide, does this require action? If yes, it moves to your action section. And here's the game changer. You assign it a real date. No more endless to-do lists, just decisions about what's next and when. You can drag and drop tasks in specific days or even future months. The SOAR board becomes your real-time roadmap, and it adapts to how your brain works. Big goals live in the project section. Each project has its own space to hold details and documents. But here's the secret. Every project needs a next action, and that action gets mirrored into your task list so you never lose momentum. This keeps you focused and moving, not just organizing for organizing's sake. Not everything is a task. Some things are just information you want to keep for future reference. That's what the reference section is for. Organize it by topic or alphabetically, like car loan info or client agreements, and find it instantly when you need it. It's like your digital filing cabinet. The SOAR board gives you a visual layout. Simple blocks for inbox, action, and reference, so you can see everything at a glance. It's the visual clarity you've been missing. Some people like to plan by day. Others prefer buckets like today, this week, or this month. The SOAR board gives you both the structure and the flexibility to build a system that fits your brain. This is just a glimpse of what the SOAR board can do and how it helps you move from scattered to structured. If you'd like support setting up your own SOAR board, we'd love to invite you to the SOAR into Action workshop. It's an on-demand experience hosted inside our Productive Environment Network. You'll get access to video recordings from our live training, our exclusive SOAR board template, plus step-by-step instructions to build your board with confidence at your own pace. Whether you're tech savvy or not, we walk you through it all so you can start using your SOAR board right away. Click below to join the SOAR into Action workshop for just $97. Let's build the system that clears your mind and gets things done.